Hi to all, this tutorial is pointing to different phases of threading process as per task executions point of views. Here pointing to single multiple threading executions pointing to compiler just for loading data and also doing effects to updations UI phases foreground background executions process behind. So difference figure 1.0 pointing to two different phases of screen, first blank and second full of effect showing timings total count of data. Here, just considerations real device cases to perform task execution when clicking buttons to working conditions with different threading process based. Here denoting variables full of count that will use as per executions with different threading process ecosystem. So figure 1.1 denoting information. Here denoting multiple variables that will use as per executions with different threading process ecosystems. So figure 1.2 denoting information. Default text keyword use case for displaying text static message. So figure 1.3 pointing to text message denoting point. Here just considerations faces of items scrolling point of views row based. So figure 1.4 showing items details. Here pointing of text view frame just for displaying message as per static flow ecosystem. So figure 1.5 pointing to message displaying cases. Here pointings text buttons view frames just for displaying messages as per static flow ecosystem. So figure 1.6 pointings to button displaying message cases. Here pointing out text view frame just for displaying real-time messages as per current time zone ecosystem. So figure 1.7 pointings to text view just for displaying message cases. Here, pointing out text view frame just for displaying single threading's total counter digit message. So figure 1.8 pointing to text view just for displaying message cases. Here, pointing up text view frame just for displaying completions of executions time zone message, pointing to single threading executions completions effect. So figure 1.9 pointing to text view just for displaying message cases. Here, pointing out text view frame just for displaying multi-threading total counter digit message. So figure 10 pointing to text view just for displaying message cases. Here, pointing out text view frame just for displaying completions of executions trying on message, pointing to multi-threading executions. Completion effect, so figure 11 pointing to text view just for displaying message cases. Here, pointing to multiple threading executions as per looping counter systems, inside for looping conditions based, and also showing final multi-threading executions time zone frame. So figures 12 pointing to looping conditions. Here, pointing to single threading executions as per looping counter systems, inside for looping conditions based, and also showing final single threading executions time zone frame, blocking UI as per threading pointing flow. So figures 13 pointing to looping conditions. Default accessing time zone code flow as per getting date, hours, minutes, second. Behalf of completion of task need to accessing time zone flow. So figure 14 denoting points to date times format ecosystems. Just pointing to random conditions, which is using to fix inaccurate time statements, writing conditions as per validations point cases. So figure 15, nothing so different, just for denoting validations.